Hello people of America, China, and Russia. Today we are walking, right now actually, part 6 or whatever of the museum. We're walking out of the museum, as you can see. So, just videotaping everybody out of the museum. Walking out of the museum.
It's a rover,
Remember when you
and it's traveling around Mars.
Okay then. Oh, can we do the tiger thing again? Can we do the tiger thing again?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. I get it.
Maybe you want to have another
Go through and spray all of them.
what? Another what?
He just had pepper spray in his. Dude, that police guard, he just had pepper spray in his hand. He's like, we can just go around and spray everybody with pepper spray if you want. Dude, you just want to run out to our car? I don't know. I'm gonna do that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know about you.
Probably going to be the last one that we have. Ow.
We need to bring Piper to the vet.
Yeah, we totally have to.
Where did we park? I forgot where we parked. Well, bye bye. Where did we park though? Oh, there's our car. Alright, there's our car. It's not our car. That's our car.
That's our car.
Yeah, that's our car.
That's our
Open it. Oh, why did I open that one? Witty.
Thank you, polite person.
Later, people of America. Later, people.